So this is a little trickier. If you thought these were right angles, and they might be, this is a little bit easier. You could say, oh, well, if that's a right angle, then this part's just a rectangle, and it's a rectangle that's 7 long and 5 high. So that rectangle part is 7 times 5, or 35 units. And then this part that's left over, well, if that's 7, there's 3 left over there, because 3 plus 7 makes your 10. And once again, this is 5 high, and we know our triangle is 1/2 3 times 5, because if it was a whole rectangle that was 3 times 5, it would be 15. So that's going to be 7.5 units. And I can add those two together, and it's 7.5 units. And then that gives me 42.5. Now, if you didn't make that assumption, you're left to maybe looking up what the formula for a trapezoid is, which will always work. Or maybe guessing, I don't know. But the formula for a trapezoid is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. And the base 1 and base 2 are simply these two, top and bottom, are called bases. And it doesn't really matter which is which, because the numbers are just getting added together. And so in this case, it's 1/2 times 17 times 5. 5 times 17 is going to give me 50, and 35 is going to give me 85, and half of 85 is 42.5. So it works either way. I probably should have told you those were right angles to start with, and then it would have made it a little easier for you to do this and know that you were getting the right answer. But the reason that these both work, because whatever this was, I could slice it over and turn it into something over there, which we'll get into some decomposition later. Good job.